All right, I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to install the Terra Firma presets. It's a little bit different than the other presets that I have, or if you've installed other presets, it's just a little bit different. There's just one more additional step. And so I want to cover that really quick with you. And the biggest step is that normally we deal with presets only over here. But with the Terra Firma, you'll also get some what are called profiles, and those are found over here. And there are already some profiles that are going to be here in your version of Lightroom, as long as you have version 7.3 or later. But we need to install some profiles as well. So it's going to be a two-step process, really easy to do. And so let's just go over that really quick together. So let me double click on this. This is what it will look like when you get it. It will be in this zip file. Open it up, and you're going to have two folders. One is called Hero-Terra Firma, and one is called Terra Firma Color. Now the Hero-Terra Firma, those are the presets. And then the Terra Firma Color, those are the profiles. And so how we want to do that is Lightroom has made it so easy. You no longer have to go to the Preferences tab to do that. For the presets, we simply click on the plus, import presets, click on our desktop or wherever you have the presets stored. Click on the Photography Hero Terra Firma Presets folder, and then the Hero-Terra Firma. Now you'll go in here and you'll hold the Shift key down and select all of them. So click on the top one, hold the Shift key down, click on the bottom one as well, and then click on Import. And that will bring them over here into the presets. And if we toggle that open, you'll see all of the presets right through here. And I'll go over those in another video, but not in this one. But we also want to install the profile. So you open up, click on that, what would we call that? A little grid view, 4 little boxes there. Click on that, and then you'll go to the plus, import profiles. Now we need to back out of the folder we were just in, and we need to go into the Terra Firma Color. And you'll, again, hold the Shift key down, so you select all of them, click on Import, and you'll see those appear right here. So now we have our Terra Firma profiles installed as well. So now you're ready to go. You can start using those presets. These Terra Firma presets will work on versions of Lightroom earlier than 7.3. However, you will not get the profiles portion of it. In your version of Lightroom, the profiles are actually stored down here in the calibration panel, and we really don't have access to adjust those or to create new ones. And so you'll go without that color portion of the Terra Firma presets. It's not life or death. It is nice to have them, and so if you can upgrade, I would tell you to upgrade. Lightroom is always making improvements, and so it's good to be on the latest version. But if you don't, you'll be just fine. And so go ahead and watch the video that shows how we use these presets and what they can do for your images, and hopefully you'll love them. Thanks.